Hey there, John Ferryman here, bringing you another little pearl in our clinical video series for aspiring physical therapists and established physical therapy private practice owners. In our last video, we talked about mission and being mission driven as a company and as an organization. Today, I want to talk a little bit about vision. What is it and why is it important? Vision is an entrepreneur's responsibility, particularly one who's leading a team. And in my estimation, vision is simply this. It is my responsibility as a physical therapy private practice owner, entrepreneur who wants to change the world one patient at a time. And remember, that was our mission. It is my job to also have some vision. And what that means is every single day, I look at our organization not as it is, but as it can become. I'm constantly looking for ways and means to create more. Key word, create. Vision is about creation. Vision is about getting behind your mission and then finding a pathway to visualize what it is that you want to create. You know, we've got an amazing practice. We've got, specialty programs. We've got 20 full-time physical therapists in 3 locations and growing. Great. That's where we are now. But that's not what I focus on. I measure the KPIs and I do all of the things that we do on a regular basis. But my most important job as a leader of an organization is to imagine it and to vision it as it can become, to get it to the next level. That's what gets people excited. That's what gets people invested. That's what gets people engaged over and over and over again. Now, the next important point I want to make about this for you physical therapy private practice owners out there is, how much must you communicate this message? Well, I've got a unique answer. Hopefully it resonates with some of you. And if it doesn't, try it on. If you ask any member of our teams about what my vision for this company is, they will tell you. And the reason I know that is that I communicate it to anyone and everyone who will listen so much until I get back from them something that sounds like this. Okay, I got it, all right? Enough. Okay, as soon as I get that message, I'm like, all right, cool, they got it, now I can stop. Okay, so if you're not communicating your vision to your team that much, to the point where they literally look at you and go, dude, okay, I got it, enough already, then you're not communicating the vision enough. Does it change? Sure, it changes, absolutely. But the communication of what's in here to your team is so important. I cannot emphasize it enough. So if you're not connecting, if you're not reaching out, if you're not talking, if you're not making phone calls, if you're not sending emails, if you're not sending out mass group text to your teams, etc., creating video content for them to digest, whatever means of communication you want to use. If you're not communicating this, how in God's name do you expect to be able to create an organization, a company that not only does right by its members, its patients, its community, but also by its bottom line? Like all of this, as you'll see in our video series, is tied in to the profitability of your practice. I know it doesn't seem like it yet, but it absolutely 100% will drive productivity if these messages are communicated frequently enough so that everybody understands their role and they understand that together you are literally going to have a massive impact within your organization, staying focused on your mission with a clear vision of where you want to go. That is what drives productivity, and that is what elevates people and inspires people to support your organization. And ultimately, to support you, the tip of the spear, the entrepreneur whose vision started it all.